it's Toyota.
No. The inline 4-cylinder.
Toyota.
It's a Toyota motor. I think it's been monkeyed with a little bit, so it's not like your uncle's Toyota. There, we got a little information on it.
Yeah, it's a 3TC. It came out of a Toyota van.
Hey, you kids, you're gonna want to move.
Yeah, beware of sawdust back there. Oh yeah, not a problem. You get some more too. It's coming your way.
That's the way to cut along.
Hey Sid, did you get any sawdust?
Little sawdust in the face.